There are many reasons to consider purchasing an air mattress, so whether you need a short-term option for visitors or something to take with you on a camping trip, for the most comfortable and convenient experience, you'll want an inflatable mattress that's easy to set up, compact to carry and store, and won't leak air overnight while you're using it. So if you're interested in buying one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Please go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Let's kickstart our list with the King Koil California King Luxury Raised Air Mattress. This mattress uses enhanced Koil technology to support you and your guests' need for a good night's sleep. The air-filled coils and internal layering naturally help the body, keeping the spine aligned as you sleep. It utilizes high-quality, puncture-resistant material that prevents everyday wear and tear that can sink an average air mattress. Unlike other air mattresses, these beds are fully flocked on both top and sides with velvety soft material. With a proprietary built-in high-speed pump, you can easily maintain and adjust the blow-up bed's firmness level. Plus, it features separate inflation and deflation valves. The built-in high-speed pump will do the work for you and get you resting faster. Next on the list, we have the Lazery Sleep Air Mattress. This double-height inflatable mattress provides the comfort and support of a traditional bed, perfect for overnight guests, camping, and more. This foldable blow-up mattress with puncture-proof material holds up to 500 pounds. It has an internal inflator with an LED remote, which fills the mattress in 4 minutes. Plus, its electric control lets you choose your ideal firmness ranging from soft plush to extra firm. The auto shut-off feature, when inflated or deflated, adds safety and convenience. You can achieve a full night's rest on 40 individual air coils that distribute and support weight evenly. The Insta-Bed raised air bed with never flat technology makes getting into and out of bed easier and might be the most comfortable air bed you've ever slept on. It uses a never flat technology that maintains constant air pressure throughout the night for an undisturbed, continuous night's rest that is never flat. Once inflated, the secondary pump continuously monitors and senses when it needs to silently engage to maintain the chosen comfort level throughout the night. The automatic shut-off feature turns the primary pump once the bed is fully inflated or deflated, allowing you to turn on the pump and walk away without worrying if the pump got burned out. Plus, its pressure sensing technology continually monitors and adjusts to match the chosen mattress comfort level. Enjoy a fantastic night's sleep on the Lightspeed Outdoors Deluxe PVC-free airbed with a patented stabilizing system. You can use the independent connectors between the top and bottom layers and evenly distributes weight to minimize bouncing. This air mattress comfortably fits 2 adults and queen-size sheets. It comes with built-in handles for easy positioning and an oversized storage bag for frustration-free packing. Plus, the single cap valve makes inflation and deflation easy. High-grade polyester Oxford is laminated with thermoplastic polyurethane to create an air bed that is PVC and phthalate-free. These superior materials combine to minimize the stretch and ballooning that is typical of a PVC air mattress. You can conveniently make, set up, or put away easy with a built-in handle. The Intex Dura-Beam Deluxe Comfort Plush Elevated Airbed provides fantastic durability and lasting comfort. It comes with a FiberTech beam construction comprised of thousands of high-strength polyester fibers that provide enhanced comfort, stability, and support. This bed is covered in plush flocking that is soft to the touch, and the horizontal air chambers provide added strength and support around the entire bed. It is easy to inflate with a built-in internal AC electric pump, which does its job in 3 minutes and is raised 13 inches from the floor. At 60 by 80 by 13 inches, this mattress is an official queen size, making it a good fit for fitted sheets. Additionally, it offers a capacity of 600 pounds and comes with an AC power cord and a duffel bag. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the SoundAsleep Dream Series Air Mattress. This mattress provides overnight guests with the comfort of a traditional bed with the convenience of an air mattress with the help of Comfort Koil technology. The 15-gauge material and multi-layer flock top create a more comfortable sleeping surface. Its patented pump design is made to be 20% quieter than competing motors and fully inflates the bed in 4 minutes. The 4-minute deflation function removes all the air from the bed, allowing quick, easy, and compact folding and storage. Additionally, its patented Sure Grip technology prevents the bed from unwanted sliding during use and provides suction grip on hard, flat surfaces that are more prone to mattress movement during use. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.